I'll just wrap it around.
And we're recording. We started. Welcome to episode 4 of Ambient Noise. As you can see, we have a very large group today.
We need a bigger couch.
We do need a bigger couch. We're going to need a whole new setup eventually. Right? Joining us on this podcast is, again, Dan.
Yay.
Dan and his balls.
Yeah. Balls are here.
Balls are here.
Not out yet.
They may or may not make a guest appearance later on.
You stay to the end, you never know.
That's right.
We also have David Franzblau, right?
Yeah, something
Did I
like
pronounce
that.
Sounded like a name.
Something like that.
He's our record aficionado.
Yeah,
And then we also have with us Nelson Ventura, who's one of the voice talents for the Blood-Drawing Chronicles podcast, which if you haven't listened to, please listen to. It's pretty spectacular.
Thank you.
So we'll just kind of get right into it, right? We went record store shopping today. And we found some pretty great gems. Oh, yes. We went to Banana Records, plug.
Yeah.
Start that right off the bat.
Which is where?
I wore the t-shirt.
Where is that, Leia?
So.
Banana Records, St. Pete.
Yeah.
Pretty spectacular place.
Okay.
That's St. Pete, Florida, not Russia.
Oh, my God.
Right.
St. Petersburg, Florida.
Do you have the longitude and latitude of that?
I do.
Yes,
Let me just...
Begins with the number 1.
I don't get it.
Yeah. So
Sorry.
we went record store shopping. Dave, what did you find?
Oh, well, what did I find?
What did you find?
Did we order pizza?
No, really.
I found a few things, ladies and gentlemen. This is a great album by Harvey Mandel. Great guitar player.
Baby batter.
Baby
That's
batter.
code for semen, I think.
Probably.
Right? Right?
Pretty sure.
Which
Right?
is
I
what
think so.
a sailor in a Navy ship would
Oh.
be.
Oh.
Correct.
Yeah.
Ah.
I didn't know that's
Right,
what
That's
right.
immediately where I went.
Yeah.
I've got a cake
that's why
that's
it's
way
sitting
off
on
then
this
right
side.
now.
That's right.
Gotcha.
Dave Mason, Alone Together, solo debut.
Oh,
Great
wow.
stuff. Dave Mason, band Traffic. I was so pleased to find this.
Booker T, man.
Booker T and the MGs, Melting Pot.
Slap some funk on it.
Holy cow. Check this out.
Wow.
Check this out.
It's amazing.
What else we got?
We got a little group here called Stone Ground.
You don't even know what you got.
I don't know what I got. I'm so excited.
Stone
Little group,
Ground.
there's like 18 of them.
They look like a commune, or are they?
They kind of are kind of a
They
little
make
hippie
baby
commune.
batter.
That's what you want to grow up and be,
That
right?
is
Yeah, Stone Ground makes baby batter.
Yeah.
That is a hell of an album cover.
Yeah.
That
It
is.
is.
Yeah.
All right, what's that? What else
Fly
we got?
floor.
Before they smiled in pictures?
Yes.
Yeah.
That was
1800s.
right at the turn of that.
Yeah,
yeah.
post
Jeff,
smile.
that group,
Pre-smile.
self-titled album, great stuff. The Live Adventures of Mike Bloomfield and Al Cooper.
I don't know any.
don't
I don't know
know.
any
I
of
don't
these.
know who they
Guys.
are.
I just want you to know
It's
that.
just great blues jamming.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, you
Yeah.
might
Yeah.
actually
Just-
more.
Yeah.
I have another album by one or both of them. I don't know.
That's true.
I don't know. It's
Super
my
Session,
dad's.
maybe?
And yeah, Super Sessions. Yeah. I don't know.
Wow.
That's
I still
definitely
have
in
my
your
dad.
realm
You
of
know, album cover painted by the late great Norman
Expertise.
Rockwell.
That's
Yeah.
pretty
Oh,
awesome.
word.
Wow, that's kind of cool, actually.
Like he was commissioned to paint it.
Word.
He had no idea who the guys were either. Like, yeah, okay. do it. David Clayton Thomas, debut. Singer from Blood, Sweat, and Tears. He's just singing a bunch of old standards, a little bit of Ray Charles, John Lee Hooker. It's hilarious.
That's
so
awesome.
fun.
It's hilarious.
It's hilarious. The Rolling Stones, jamming with Edward.
Huh.
Good stuff. Keith Richards was out. He was doing what he needed to do. He wasn't there yet.
He was gone.
More than likely a lot of drugs.
This was just very near and dear to my heart.
The Beatles.
Yeah, it's the Beatles, but this particular compilation was my introduction to the Beatles when I was like 3-4 years old by my dad.
That's awesome.
Getting a little
Nice.
teary-eyed.
That's awesome.
It's
Don't get
great.
teary-eyed.
I won't, I promise.
Don't cry on
It's
this
great
podcast.
stuff.
We work real hard. Or talk show.
So that was that. So, puts me at a fairly large collection.
All right.
I will be
Oh,
back.
he speed ran through that.
Well, we got that. Now we got to move on to Nelson real quick. Then we could just BS, and it
That's
doesn't
really
really matter.
cool, actually.
So, Nelson,
Yes.
a few of us have listened to the Blood Jar
Cool.
Chronicles,
Cool.
but for those in the audience who have not,
Plug.
Yeah.
plug.
1, 2,
All right.
3, 4.
So anybody who's interested in listening to it, if you like kind of a, I'm going to call it a sci-fi romance type of story.
Word.
It's,
Starman?
kind of. It's vampires with
You would love
some
it.
other stuff.
Yeah.
But if
I
you want
like
to check it
Playbox
out, you can go to foxplaybox.com, and we've got all the seasons. We're at season 9 right now. We're going to record season 10
So
by
is
the end
it
of March.
seasonal? Is it like filmed per year, or is it a run through?
It's all a run through. It's based off of the lead character Myric's manuscripts, and he is reading from his manuscripts, and he is basically telling his count on the world that he is in. It's set in the 1690s.
Okay.
And some crazy shit happens to him.
Fantastic.
So check it out, and I promise you guys will love it.
Your voice.
No, I'm not going to do my
Do
voice.
do the nasally one, please.
That's Helen off screen. That's the loving, doting wife.
That's the loving, doting wife.
the biggest fan.
I know.
I have an idea. Who can do impressions? We'll all do voices. How about that?
Why are you pointing at me?
Everybody here, I would expect you could do
Who
one.
could do impressions? Anyone?
Yeah,
No,
but it's
no,
never
no.
like on.
All of
like
us can
someone-
probably. Okay, listen.
It's always a
if
random.
I can do it, you guys can do it.
You can.
The hardest
sure.
impression that I can do. Do you guys remember Tiny Toons?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you remember Dizzy Devil?
Yes.
Yeah.
Tasmanian Devil.
Yeah.
That's like the best one I can do. Anyone else?
That was awesome.
Anyone else?
I could do a
Really?
pretty decent.
Like I can't do it off the top
Walken.
of my head. Like it always comes out at a random thing. Like you keep
just
like, hey, what
And
about
then you're like, that
this?
sounded like
So you're
Right,
stupid.
yeah.
You
Right,
it's
yeah,
gonna-
he sucks.
You
by the
can
way.
do
I
that
know,
watching the
that guy.
podcast.
Yes.
You tune it in there. Yeah, you
Yeah.
feel real important, don't
Go
you?
away, Stewie. Go away.
Actually,
Yeah.
one of my favorite voices, one of my favorite characters on Family Guy would be Carter Peterschmidt. He says some of the funniest crap I've ever heard.
Oh,
Why are you naked in my house? Why aren't you? You're all right, Griffin.
Yeah.
No.
It's awesome.
Anyone
So
else
funny.
care to jump in the mix?
No, I'm good.
Anyone can do Bane. Bane is easy.
Oh my gosh.
Anyways,
Bane impressions.
Just get a crab on your face.
yeah, all you have to do is like, you
Just cover
know.
your mouth, right?
Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Like,
Hello, Bruce.
what is it? What is it? What's his like big line that he says about pain?
Oh, that's pretty cool.
What is it?
Oh, I don't know. Like I was molded by it or something like that.
It was his darkness monologue.
Yeah.
It was his actually I
It
have
sounded
done
like
that
something
one, I
completely
guess.
different. I can't pinpoint it right now.
I don't know.
Yeah, yeah.
You sounded like Sean Connery. You sounded exactly like Sean Connery.
I thought that's what you were going for.
Did I what?
You do walk in, you said?
No, not me.
Who does
He
walk
did.
in?
I can do a little
we hear a
walk-in.
walk-in?
Sure. Okay. So, hi, Christopher here, and I am trying to figure out what is it we're talking about. That was bad. That was.
That's
Okay.
yeah, more than
Did you
It
ever
was better than his Sean Connery.
That's right.
Yeah, it was.
I don't know. Okay.
No, Sean Connery.
Yeah,
It was like a South
It
Park.
was only
thing.
borrowing
You
a
guys know
Humvee.
South Park?
That was such a bad impersonation of anything.
It was Sean Connery was in the cave where Bane was. He actually
Yeah.
popped up in there.
It was like Bane Connery.
It's like
Yeah,
in
like-
the Rock.
Bane Connery.
How can you have your pussy if you don't eat some meat? Pink Floyd's The Wall featuring Bill Cosby.
That was amazing.
I'm trying to think of other
That
ones.
was amazing.
I could do a meat wad from Aquatine, but I don't think a lot of people know what Aquatine is.
Yeah, man,
I
do
didn't know what
it.
that
Yeah,
is. It's not like it's
Is
like
it how long? Are we that far gone?
I don't know, man.
I hope not. Are we that far out?
Does everybody know what
Even
Aquatine is?
still, what are
It's
10-year-olds
It's gotta
watching
still
this shit?
I
be,
mean, when
yeah.
we were at the Perkins swap last
Maybe.
weekend,
Meat
we were
wad.
selling
I watched
Yeah.
that probably
shake
2
and
young
everyone-
does that.
Yeah. Did that ever sell?
Yeah,
Do
do
it.
it.
Oh,
You
I
were-
wasn't
you were-
there.
no, you
Oh,
were-
okay. I was gonna say.
No.
There was a carnival in there. There was no carnival in there. There was a damn freezer.
Like Bobcat Goldthwait kind of guy.
Sort of.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just the meat wad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like
I
a
was
really
trying to think of
high-pitched
it.
Stitch almost.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
can do Stitch.
That sounds like Stitch. That's really good.
Nobody that's left behind or forgotten.
Yes!
There was a comic that said
Pretty
a
good.
lot means family, and it was
Brighton's gonna burst out in tears.
Why? Don't make him get on the ship.
It's family.
It's family. Yeah.
Sometimes I used to do motor bartender from The Simpsons, but it's a lot better if I'm in a smoky room. And my
Yeah.
voice is a little raspier. It's a little too. It's pretty lubricated right now.
Yeah.
I'm in pretty good health right now.
Yeah, if I have a cold,
much
it comes
better
off
health
much
than
better. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I can do South Park.
Do it.
Oh my God! They killed Kenny. You bastards! Like, I used to be able to do higher, but my
when
voice has gotten
I
lower.
sing, like jokingly, apparently I go into Carmen voice sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheesy poofs.
No.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I can't do a Carmen voice, but when I sing, apparently I just automatically.
That's odd.
Not
Usually,
really.
yeah.
Do you just
Well, your
stick
voice
to
is
it?
just-
Wait,
just-
Yeah, just you make it nasally.
You guys, I'm going home.
That's pretty
That's
good.
pretty good.
Anyways,
I mean, I get asked a lot if I have an accent.
no, that's not
When
the same.
people.
So do you
Well,
do,
I know it's not the
do you
same
do any
thing,
other
but,
voice
like,
acting?
No,
Technically.
no, that's the only thing I do.
Do they make
currently.
you? Do they make you do like sound effects sometimes? Like can you
No,
do
but I
any-
do play a lot of other characters, like offhand characters. I'll do like an old man voice, or
I do a great old lady
Dave
voice.
does a
Do you
great.
really?
Oh my god!
He used to take the trolley.
Yeah.
Oh my
Go
god!
ahead.
let's
Go
hear it.
ahead.
Let me tell you, here in Southwest Florida, this used to be all orange groves. We'd go downtown, we'd take the trolley. Oh, gracious glory be, it was miraculous. These days, you don't know about trolleys, you with your hashtagging and your Tide Pod challenging. In my day, you'd wash your bad mouth with the swearing down with the soap, and now you eat it. What's wrong with you?
There you go.
The problem is a voice can get you into a character,
That's right.
And then
and
you
it's
don't
bad.
come out of it.
and then you get stuck.
Yeah. Yeah.
Would that be the worst thing ever?
Yeah, we had to take classes for voiceovers when we went to acting school, and that was odd. Like
That sounds
real.
like fun.
It was, but
like it'd be
except
really
when you
fun,
had to do like they had me do a commercial